whatever we targeted, are we there or are we not there? Because that is very, very important. Because for me, results are important. You guys have invested, so I want to understand, was it worth, and where are we today standing at the 11th week of our session, where we are standing right now. All right, so we have Girish with us right now, and Girish was part of our effective communication skill workshop, which happened from January till March. So Girish, why don't you introduce yourself? Where are you from? What do you do?
Hello everyone, myself Girish. I belong to Bihar. I am an IT professional having 5+ years of experience and currently working in Chandigarh in an IT company.
Mm-hmm. Total, how many years of experience you have, Girish?
It's 5+ years, sir.
What was the expectation? I mean, when you came, what was the couple of expectations or couple of challenges you were facing?
Yeah, actually at that time I was struggling in my office. It was not like I was not performing well. I have already got 3 appraisals in 3 years in my last company. So there is nothing to do with my performance. But I was not able to connect with my colleagues over there, with my bosses, and with my reportees. I I was doing the things in a right manner, but somehow there is a communication gap. You can say that was lacking. I was not able to connect or convince all the things with what I have done to my managers, and same thing is happening with my reportees also. I was not able to manage the things, and that was creating a lot of stress at my workplace, and that was impacting my personal life too. And I was not able to maintain the proper work-life balance. So that was the basic challenge which I was facing at that time. Then I came to know about the communication workshop, and I thought that it will be a good platform to get all the queries resolved, because I was attending all the PIM sessions earlier, and I was confident that investing anything in the PIM, because I was aware of the your lectures, all the lectures I was attending, and that was helping me a lot previously also. So I have attended, I have enrolled for this communication workshop, and that was the basic expectations to communicate well with my colleagues, with my reportees, and with my managers. So that was the basic thing in my mind at that point of time.
All right. So, couple of 2 or 3 things which you learned. So, obviously, personality. Throw some light about understanding different personalities, because there was something. It was a new thing
Right.
for you, I'm sure. You wanted to
Right,
share
right.
some aspect of that.
Actually, what was happening earlier, I was treating all with the same stick. Like I was not treating my managers also in the same similar manner with as I was treating my reportees. Uh, Obviously, being at a manager level, they have different expectations, different experiences, and at a reportee level, having 1-2 years of experience, the things will be different. But I was treating them in a similar manner. I was not able to connect with them in a proper manner.
Okay.
I was before the communication workshop. I was not aware about different personalities. To be very honest, I was not that much aware of the personalities and different mindset. But yeah, after going through this workshop, I came to know about that different people having different mindset, different personalities, and you have to understand them well before connecting to anyone. You need to understand their point of view, and accordingly, you have to connect with them. So that was the basic thing which was lacking earlier, and in this workshop, yeah, I have got that awareness.
One was this part. Another part was you also covered some human needs, if you remember. So, can you throw
Right.
some light on that part? What was that and how it helped you, basically? Understanding human needs of people.
Yeah, earlier, like I was always to the reportee, I was very harsh. I was just commanding them that you have to do these things, these things. I was not understanding their needs. I was not able to connect with their what they actually want. So what is their goal, and how that will be aligned with my or company's goal. Then only I can then only they can give 100%, and that will be more beneficial for me. So earlier that was missing, but now after the workshop, after the 3-4 sessions when I have attended, then I came to know that yeah, you have to understand their needs also. You have to align your all the tasks, you can say, or the goals in such a manner that they will be uh, the reportees, they should also get benefit out of them. That only then only they can contribute or then only they can give their 100%. So that was missing earlier. But yeah, after 3-4 sessions, I was able to relate all these things in my practical day-to-day life, also in my professional life. After attending this, I have taken one-on-one session with my reportees, understanding their problems and where they are struggling, and I have helped them in a better way, and that has resulted tremendously very well. They have prepared PPT, they have connected with the client themselves, and that has shown a very good
So more
result
or
in
less, you're
my
able to empower them much better because you
right.
understand their language. So let me summarize
Right.
what we have discussed till now. So obviously, the first part was personality assessment. That gave you
Right.
clarity about understanding different personalities and talking to them. Then we
Right.
also went through a human need assessment where we went through it, and that gave you clarity. What is the motivating factor of people? Everybody will not be motivated by the same thing. So that
Right.
overall started improving your performance in your workplace, correct?
Exactly.
So what is the final outcome in terms of you? I'm sure you got some appraisal also. What is the final outcome,
Right.
and how does it relate to this workshop?
Yeah, at last I can say, yeah, it was really worth investing those amount. It was a heavy amount at that point of time because I was not prepared in advance for this workshop. It was just 1 week, you can say 1 week short notice, you can say. I came to know about it in last week of December, and I have enrolled it in first week of January. So that at that point of time, yeah, I was in a dilemma that whether it was worth investing or not. But I can say, yeah, it was really worth, because after investing, I was earlier struggling with my job also. I have appeared for a couple of interviews, but I was rejected, not in a technical round, but at the final round. So in the final round, it obvious about communication and connecting with the managers. So I was struggling that in my current job also and in interviews also. But after getting through 3-4 sessions in this communication workshop, I was able to connect with my bosses also, understand what their need is, what they want, and I am presenting myself in the same manner, and that has benefited it in my company also, and at interviews also. I have cleared couple of interviews and got good hike. So I can easily say that investing that amount at that point of time was really difficult for me, but that has rewarded more than 10x in just a couple of in just couple of months, I can say. So yeah, it was very very beneficial for
Great.
me.
So I'm so happy about you, Girish. If one last time, somebody is the verge of taking a decision, shall he take it or not? Well, I'm sure a lot of people at the last moment they don't know that they are struggling to take a decision because the amount always stops them. What would you
Yeah,
say to
exactly.
them in 1 or 2 lines?
Yeah, exactly. Investing in people skill is not a trend. So many people do not aware about the people skill, but yeah, it's really worth investing. All the tricks which I have learned in this workshop, that can be only experienced and learned by appearing in 12-week session. The best thing I found in the workshop is that it was not a theoretical lecture. All the sessions you have customized in such a manner that it has picked all our day-to-day challenges, and you have given a practical solution to them. So that was the interesting part, and that was the best thing I found in this workshop, and it has helped me a lot. I will surely advise or recommend everyone to be a part of this workshop, and you will feel the difference after completing the workshop. I One thing I want to add, sir, I think 15 of the members have attended our workshop. And at last, in the last discussion, when we were talking about ourselves, I think more than 5 or 6 people have got promotion in just three month time.
I'm so happy about you, Girish. I'm so happy that you are growing in your career. Keep growing, and let's work together for more and more workshops. I'm sure we'll have a great life together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Looking forward to our next batch in the next week. That is the
Absolutely. Good.
yeah.
Congratulations.